Hi, everybody. So I know that I'm going to see quite a few of you at our graduation in a few days, our virtual graduation. So I'll save a lot of my congratulations till then, but I felt like I just needed to do one last sort of video as we wrap up your degree time here together. Um, I can't tell you how proud I am of each and every one of you. Pursuing a master's degree is a major undertaking, made even more major by the fact that all of you endured this through several semesters of COVID and a pandemic. What you've all been able to accomplish is absolutely amazing. And is something that can never be taken away from you. There is no time when somebody can minimize what you have accomplished and your achieving of this master's degree. Please know that just because you graduate doesn't mean that any sort of connection or relationship that we have needs to end. I'm always happy to chat with you. I'm always happy to hear how things are going. I'm always happy to offer ideas. Maybe someday I'll reach out to you for things as well. We're colleagues now. We're not in a different sort of situation. So please know that I'm always here for you. I'm always happy to communicate and chat with you, and I'm incredibly proud of what each and every one of you has done.